Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing the existing way in which technology is transforming the construction industry. Hydrotek's fabric foam concrete erosion control mattress is a proven solution for preventing soil erosion and stabilizing slopes. With its advanced design and high-quality materials, this mattress provides long-lasting protections. Robotic roadworks and excavation systems have revolutionized the construction industry by increasing efficiency and accuracy while reducing cost and risk. With advanced sensors and algorithms, these systems provide precise measurement and controls, resulting in faster and safer construction projects. Semi-automatic river bending machine is a versatile device that simplifies the process of bending river in construction project. Unlike fully automated machine, it requires some human intervention to operate. The automatic wall plastering machine is a popular construction equipment used for applying plaster on wall and ceiling. BMT3 trenching machine is a heavy-duty construction equipment used for digging trenches quickly and efficiently. With powerful engine and advanced features, it can dig deep and wide trenches in a variety of soil conditions. Automatic gypsum plastering machine is an advanced version of traditional gypsum plastering machine that use robotic arm and sensors to apply gypsum plaster on wall and ceilings. It is highly efficient, fast and can work autonomously, reducing labor cost and improving the quality of the finish.